The journey of luxury eggshell tiles begins with millions of discarded shells.
Millions of shells are gathered before their transformation begins. Careful handling keeps the raw material clean from the beginning. The collected shells now enter the industrial processing system. A controlled flow keeps the enormous production line moving. Before transformation, every batch must be properly prepared. Precise flow control prepares the shells for their first major treatment. The shells now enter a powerful cleaning stage.
Water and mechanical action separate the useful shell from unwanted residue.
Clean shells are ready for the next stage of transformation. After cleaning, the shells begin their controlled journey toward the main factory. Controlled airflow removes moisture before further processing. The dry shells are now ready for controlled transport. A transfer hopper gathers the prepared shell material for the next journey. The prepared shells move steadily toward their next processing destination.
Inside the facility, every batch is moved under controlled conditions.
Prepared shells are stored briefly before entering the main production line. A measured batch is selected for the next transformation stage.
The raw material is now approaching the heart of the factory. From here, the cleaned shells enter the factory's main transformation system. The prepared eggshells now enter the heart of the luxury tile factory. Every incoming batch is carefully controlled before entering production. Controlled entry protects the quality of the raw material. Beyond the entrance, the transformation process continues indoors.
The prepared eggshell material is unloaded for controlled processing. Each batch is moved directly toward the production system.
The raw material is positioned for its next controlled operation. From the receiving station, the shells enter the main production flow. The shells are now only moments away from their first major transformation. Now the shells are ready to be cleaned, sorted, and prepared for transformation. The cleaned shells now enter a precise sorting system. Vibration separates the shells according to particle size. Consistent particle size is essential for producing uniform tile material. The selected shells continue while unwanted material is removed. Air separation removes the final unwanted lightweight particles. Final inspection prepares the shells for precision processing. The material is now clean enough for controlled size reduction. Moisture and consistency are checked
before the shells enter heavy milling.
The sorted shells are ready for their major size reduction stage. The shells now begin becoming the fine material used to create
The cleaned shells are crushed into a controlled mineral-rich material. The crushed material moves deeper into precision processing.
Precision milling transforms the shells into an exceptionally fine powder.
Airflow helps create a consistent powder for the tile mixture.
The refined eggshell powder is collected for precise formulation.
Exact quantities are measured to maintain consistent tile quality. The measured powder is now ready to become part of the tile formulation. The eggshell powder is combined with carefully controlled supporting materials.
Check the temperature on line 3. Stable at 980. Viscosity is high, I'll increase the rotation speed. Looks good.
The eggshell material is now ready to be transformed into luxury tile panels. The eggshell composite is now ready to take the shape of a tile.
Precision begins with measuring every portion. Each mold receives a carefully controlled layer of composite. Each mold receives a carefully controlled layer of composite. The first solid tile blanks emerge from the forming line. The newly formed tiles are stabilized before finishing. Controlled curing gives the composite time to develop strength. Carefully controlled conditions stabilize the new tile material. Once cured, the tiles are cooled and prepared for precision finishing. The formed tiles now enter the automated finishing system.
Automation keeps every tile precisely aligned.
Sensors check every tile for precise thickness. Precision rollers create a consistent foundation for finishing. Even the edges are precisely controlled. Controlled grinding brings the tile surfaces closer to their final finish.
Powerful extraction keeps the finishing environment clean. A final wash removes particles left by precision finishing. Controlled airflow leaves the tile surfaces clean and dry. Polishing reveals the refined surface of the luxury material. Automated inspection identifies every detail before final finishing. Precision grinding creates the perfectly level surface expected from luxury tiles.
Every edge is refined to maintain exact dimensions.
Even the smallest details receive precision finishing. Multiple polishing stages reveal the premium finished surface. A final cleaning reveals the true character of every tile.
A protective finish helps preserve the refined surface. Controlled drying prepares the tiles for their final inspection. Every surface is examined before the tile leaves the finishing line. Exact dimensions ensure every tile fits the same production standard. The finished tiles now face their final tests for quality and performance.
Before packaging, representative tiles undergo detailed laboratory testing.
Thickness is measured to ensure every tile meets its production specification.
Exact dimensions ensure consistent installation across every batch.
Every visible surface is examined for even the smallest imperfection. Strength testing confirms that the composite can withstand heavy loads.
Controlled water testing evaluates the finished surface performance. Precision instruments verify the consistency of the premium finish. Batch comparison confirms a consistent appearance from tile to tile. Only tiles that pass every required check move forward. After passing inspection, the luxury tiles are ready for packaging and dispatch. After passing inspection, every luxury tile is prepared for protection and delivery. Protective layers keep the finished surfaces safe during transport.
The finished tiles are securely packed for the journey ahead.
Each package is sealed to protect the luxury tiles inside. Every package receives its final production identification. Uniform palletizing prepares the finished product for safe storage.
Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure.
Finished luxury tiles wait here for their final destination.
From recycled eggshells to premium surfaces, the finished product is ready to leave the factory. And this is how modern factories produce high-end luxury tiles from millions of eggshells, from start to finish.